Hey guys, this is a video, and it's been a long time since I made one, so sorry. I had to find up stuff I could do and all that, and I probably will do a Pokemon Heart Gold walkthrough. So I'm opening some cards. It's 6 packs, 60 cards. So let's get to the first one. Grab my messed up sleeve. The background is something I ordered from Hong Kong. It's really cool. I like it. So if you guys like it, you can do that stuff. Send me a message if you want to trade. If I ever get any good pulls. I'm a new YouTuber or video maker. Been for YouTube a long time, and I need some subs. So yeah, I'm gonna do some Minecraft videos when I have a better camera. Sorry for the bad camera. Yeah. So all that stuff. Got one thing over. So we got 3 packs. We got Next Destinies. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, we got Meowth. This is a promo. I'm probably gonna trade for that. So we got Next Destinies, and Black and White Emerging Powers. So let's do the Emerging Powers one. And I'm not gonna really keep these things, but I'm a new PokeTuber and stuff. How do you open this? But yeah, I got a few good pulls. Oh. Sorry guys, it's just really hard to open these things. I don't know how to do that trick that people usually do, so card. Pause the video here if you want it. Okay, starting out with a Pidove, Cottonee, Sandile, Dragorola, Joltik, Cincino Reverse. Ooh, Virizion Hollow. I'll get one of my sleeves for that. Recycle, Tranquil, Audino. Yeah, that's it for this pack. Okay, yeah, let me go get my sleeves. So that's that pack. Go get my sleeves and that stuff. The badge holders. I might go get more, so if you guys want to send some sleeves, you can. So yeah, Virizion Hollow. The Sacred Swords. I imagine it's getting all 4. So yeah. The card, that's where we're gonna hold this thing. Here's my sleeve. Yeah, I'll put that right there, right next to my walkie-talkie. The walkiness. So yeah. These things are really hard to open. Okay, I don't have scissors on me right now. Oh wait, no, never mind. This one's a little bit more easier. So, code card. Darumaka. Mienfoo. Ooh, Growlithe. Sneasel. Ooh, Sassy. Pidove. Reverse Frillish. Pinsir. I think that Pinsir's not common. Skyro Bridge. I don't know how to tell. Starmie. Hippowdon. And back to Darumaka. So there's that pack. Our Frillish Reverse, which I hate those things. So the last one is the Next Destinies, bro. You might see my awesome hair from here, but you don't need to know that. Sorry for the background stuff. Yeah, the background stuff is not me, it's my family. There's that. Okay. Cute Shanks, Kirkiot. Ooh, Riolu! I'm gonna put that right there. Staryu, Pikachu, reverse that. Moltres Hollow, Ooh, a Raichu. Put that over there. Special Energy and Kricketot. So Moltres. Hollow. Man, imagine us getting all 3 birds. What's next? A water type, like Articuno or something? Or Suicune? Okay, I'm gonna go turn that stuff off, so I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, I turned that off. Please don't laugh. I didn't watch that. So yeah. Yeah, two good pools actually. Like, if you guys want to trade for those, I can. I will trade with you. Yeah, I only got one Steve with me right now. So yeah, you can probably see my face, but I didn't want that to happen, so just gonna cover that up. Please don't laugh at me. Didn't really want that to happen, so trash. Need scissors on me. Although my teeth are really sharp. Or I hate trash, guys. So hard. Oh, oh no, not another Meowth. I'll probably give that away. Oop. Okay, next Destinies, Black and White, and next Destiny. So, get this stuff over with. Let's open the Mewtwo box. This thing is so... Okay, that's how you open a pack. Okay. Ooh, I see something cool. Code card. So yeah, guys. Cubchoo, Growlithe, Super Duper Tutorials. Here's some Bronzor, Fungus, Pidove, ooh, Reverse Blitzle, Simisear, Special Energy, and Luxio, and Kricketune. There's that back. Not so good pulls. At least we got a Prism Energy, not special. Cool. So I'm gonna open the next Destinies. Ooh, this is a good one. I'm probably gonna keep this. So this code card's mine, guys. Okay, let's do this. Another Riolu. So awesome. Staryu, Seedot, Hippopotas, Mienfoo, Reverse Lampent. Oh my gosh. A shiny Emboar. Oh my god. A shiny Emboar, guys. It's the first time I got a shiny card in forever. Oh, I feel so good. You guys should have got if you guys get this pack, it's good. And that's awesome. Lucario. Oh, I love Emboar. And Lucario, because I'm Lucario. Okay, let's get back. That's just awesome. Kirlia, Jigglypuff, and Mienshao, guys. Yeah. So that's that pack. I can't believe we got a shiny. A shiny, guys. A shiny. It's so freaking cool. Just like my chicken. Literally, I got popcorn chicken today. So, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. And these are good. So, let's get to work. Deerling. I don't know what type that is. I think it's Spring. Joltix. Solosis. Timber. Rubat. Reverse Pokedex, Zebstrika, Simisear, and Pokemon Communication. Oh yeah, Basculin and then Spring Deerling. So we got pretty good pools. yeah, sorry about the background stuff. So, yeah, pretty good pulls. Got a shiny, freaking shiny Emboar. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna read its ability. Inferno Fandango. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. As often, if you like, during your turn before you attack, you may attach a fire energy card from your hand to one of your... Oh, wow. Heat Crush, 80 damage. Man, this thing is epic. Why isn't that thing nice shiny? I really know. Epic shiny Emboar. Verzion Hollow. Sacred Sword. Does 100 damage. This Pokemon can't use Sacred Sword during your next turn. Cool. Yeah, I can get a drain. Ultras Hollow. Fire blasts discard a fire energy from detached Pokemon. Defended Pokemon is now burned if you're using Searing Flame, so this thing's cool. We got pretty good pools, guys. But this is awesome. I'm gonna take this out of the sleeve. So awesome. I love shiny Emboars. Yeah, we got some awesome Riolus, which is y'all guys. So yeah. Now I can finally evolve my awesome Lucario card. Yeah, we got 2 Riolus. Probably will trade my other one. It's Pikachu and a Raichu. You know where my Raichu went. Yeah, I'm gonna give a Meowth away. Probably give my Minccino away. One Growlithe away, but no, unless you guys have a good card or a shiny Lucario, I'm not giving that away. I'll trade these for those 2. So, yeah, I think that's it, guys. So, bye. See ya later.